So I'm going to make this video basically because they know information of what bell housing bolts you need on the internet. They some, but it's kind of hit and miss. But exactly, if you put this behind a 7.3 diesel or putting it on the engine stand or whatever, you need to know what your bell housing bolts is to the engine block. Well, you need these right here. You need a M12-175 by 100. Now you need 4 of these. And you will need, for the top, is this one. Is a M12-175 by 70. And that's for the top here. You need the 100 for this in millimeter and the 70 millimeter for the top. And that lines your bolts out. And you need 4 of these 100s and 2 of the 70s. And you can bolt it to your transmission. You can bolt the transmission to the engine and you know, engine to an engine stand and whatnot. It's a metric bolt pattern, so just so you know. Now, I hope you found this super short video helpful. I'm getting ready to install this transmission, and I hope you subscribe to the channel if you did find it helpful, and leave me a comment if you did. I'd like to know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.